Hey guys, it's Dames here. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the S10. I've got the Prism White variant edition, as you can see by the specs. Let's just quickly zoom in. This is like my first ever unboxing as well, so the quality is not going to be what you would call professional, but I'll give it a go, see what we can do. I've got a case as well. It's like a sketch case, you can see by the back. I have to do manual focus with this Canon. Let's just get straight into the phone. Right, so we've got the S10 here, white version. Let's just get straight into it. Oh, these scissors are too big, damn. You know, before we do that. Oh, it's really annoying to do this like one-handed. And these scissors are too thick as well. Hang on, it should be there. There we go. Right. Scissors away. Focus on. Right, here we go, guys. Do you want to come out or what? Bro! Oh god. There we go. Right, now we're in. Oh. So let's have a quick straight up to the phone. Is it going to focus? Right, so we've got a headphone jack here, microphone, speakers, antenna bands. We've got the Bixby button there, volume rockers, another microphone up top, SIM card with the SD card slot on the left, power button there. That's all the buttons. Right. While this power's on, I'll have a quick look in the box. So, got the charger. Well, what is this? That is 9 volt. What is the voltage? I'll just leave that. So that's the charger. That's so you can, like, you know, transfer your data from, say, your old S9 or whatever you upgraded from S8, etc. What's this? Oh, I take it this is the USB cable. Yep, USB cable. And we got some AKG headphones. These actually look pretty nice. Right, leave that to the side. Oh wait, where did that thing come from? Right, getting straight into the phone. Let's see, information to get started.
Mom?
Just gonna skip that. Skip the Wi-Fi. That's just my dog downstairs. Right. Penny. I'm getting tapped by a dog. I'm making a video, what are you doing? Why is it not accepting? Now this is what I wanted to set up, the fingerprint, the ultrasonic fingerprint. What's the pattern? Just do that. Right, now here we go. Before we get into the fingerprint scanner, I'll take off this film on the front. Wait, is he? Oh, where is it? Take off the back. Yeah, there is one on it, it's just there's no real corner to get it off. Hang on. There we go. Right. Oh, look at that. Right, here we go guys. Fingerprint ultrasonic. That's my brother then. Get the sides of your thumb. Get a full scan. Alright. Use that. Yeah, the display looks so nice, like just that tiny little camera cutout. It looks like blue with the light on the white. Right, so what's this? Get recommended apps? Nope. What the hell is it? Recommend me eBay, etc. Skip that for the moment. Alright, we're all done. Oh, beautiful, look at this. Oh, it feels like butter. What's that? Alright, first thing we want to get into is the camera. Is it like the old Galaxies where you can... Yep. Let's check out the lenses. So we've got the standard wide angle. What's that? Then there's the ultra wide, which is 123 degrees of field of view. Standard, and we've got telephoto, whereas 2 times optical zoom. What else is there? Oh wait, how long can you do super slow mo for?
It's my...
Oh, 0.8.
Sorry, I think my coat's
0.8 seconds. And you got standard slow motion. Well, it feels proper smooth. Hyperlapse.
Come on, Benny.
Oh, it's beautiful though, guys. But yeah, let me know what you think. It's gonna be quite a bad like unboxing video, like my first ever unboxing, and plus I'm doing manual focus, and it's like really awkward getting like the position to do this. But yeah, the phone's smooth. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna put that down there. I'm gonna quickly check out the sketch case that came with it. Okay, did you just see that pull tab? Come on. You're kidding me. Why is it they make these boxes so... Because it has a plastic... Ah, God. Oh, that's pretty nice. Right, so we got that. What's this? Where's my screen protectors? Here they are. These are actual glass screen protectors. I might actually apply them right now. Wait, this is quite hard to get off. Oh, I shouldn't have touched the screen. I should have just put the screen protector on. Because now it's going to have a couple of smudges on. Put that down. Let's try and put one of these on. Alright, there's two of them. Oh, okay. So paste, start line. Which one is? Okay. Right. What the hell was this? Hang on, let me just... No, that is such a bad screen protector. What? Oh, screw that. I'm just going to do it later. Alright, get back into the phone. Let's try the fingerprint. Okay, it didn't work once. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Just finding like where the actual fingerprint is as well. I like the new One UI as well. Quick go into settings, display. I like how the display is got 43% less blue light. I think it's 43%. Screen for use with screen protectors. Oh, that's pretty cool. They've got a thing for screen protectors. What Google are you on in? I mean Android. I've not used the Samsung since it's an S7. So, yeah. Oh, advanced features. Let's set up. Reduce animations. Want that on. Game launcher. Video enhancer. Oh, that's like a fingerprint scanner. Get back into the camera. Let's take a look, guys. So that's zoom, standard, wide angle. I'm gonna take a picture out my window quick, 2 secs. Right, just took 2 pictures out my window. Let's see what they look like. Right, 2 times optical zoom. Yeah, it looks good on screen. That's the, I think that's the wide angle. Yeah, that's the wide angle. Then that's normal. So normal, wide, optical. So it's good you've got a selection of 3 cameras on the back. Why isn't it focusing? There we go. But yeah, you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a like, subscribe, and let me off. It's my first like unboxing, so yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.